she actually got engaged to a Brazilian guy, and I moved back to Baton Rouge, and I was waiting tables at Texas de Brazil. And I was like, she's going to Miami with this Brazilian guy, and I'm waiting tables. And I'm like 24 at this point. And so there was like that really hard start. It was probably the hardest time of my life. It was actually graduating college. And eventually, after I went to a place 4 times and got kicked out of the job trailer on a job site 4 times, somebody gave me a shot at a job. And so I moved to New Orleans, and I auto-drafted money in my account to save it for my contractor's license test, because you have to have a net worth of $10,000. Yeah. So I went and I lived off the per diem, and I did the ramen noodles thing, and I did the extra hours thing. And after about 6 months, I had the money to apply for the test. And that was about 15 years ago. A lot of trials and tribulations in between, but that's pretty much where I was.